How to buy Bitcoin using PayPal. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily purchase Bitcoin on PayPal. First thing you have to do is make sure you log into your PayPal account. And once you get to your PayPal dashboard, there are a lot of options that you can see here. First one being crypto right here at the top. And if you click on it, you'll be headed over to this Finances tab. So even if you tap on this or this, it doesn't matter. It's going to take you to the same place. Now just click on those. And once you get to the Finance tab here, you can see all of the cryptos that are available here. You can just scroll down and export what kind of crypto you would like to purchase. For example, Bitcoin, you could just click on it. Now, once you get to your desired crypto, you could just scroll down here and you'll have an option with a short graph and an option to buy the crypto. So you could just go ahead and select your amount, or you could just enter the amount that you want. Click on buy. And here, as you can see, you can buy as little as for $1 of Bitcoin. Just enter your amount and then tap on next. Once you've entered your amount, you're going to have to choose your payment method. Now tap on next again. And then from here, you could just click on buy now. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that you could just go ahead and see the transaction fee. So even if I buy the Bitcoin worth of $5, it's going to cost me 99 cents. And even if it's $10, it's going to cost me 99 cents. So that's something to keep in mind. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.